Happy Labor Day, everyone. As we take a moment to celebrate the hard work and dedication that built this country, it's also a great time to think about protecting the fruits of your labor. Did you know that life insurance is one of the most powerful tools to secure your family's financial future? It's about making sure that no matter what happens, your loved ones are taken care of. For example, think of it as a financial safety net. If something were to happen to you, life insurance can help cover daily living expenses, mortgage payment, and even your children's education, keeping their future secure. So this Labor Day, take a moment to consider, is your family's future protected? Message me today to learn and to book your free financial checkup. Let's make sure all your hard work continues to pay off for your loved ones. Enjoy your Labor Day and remember, securing your family's future is the best gift you can give them.